Good day, everybody. Kurt with Cruisin Classics here. Introducing a gorgeous 1980 Chevrolet Corvette. This is L82. 37,201 actual miles. There's a bullet point for you. This is a beautiful T-top car. Nice black paint, has been meticulously cared for throughout its years. Of course, there's your L82. Power steering, power brakes, tilt wheel. Those are discs on all four corners. Once again, very slick paint. Factory air, tilt wheel, power windows. Make sure you hang out the end of the video. Check out the stills that I have of the interior and all the hard places to see. I have better pictures in there. Very easy to drive, start. It is a beautiful example of a Corvette. And the L82 models, very desired in this generation. There we go. And it's available now for a very nice price here at Cruisin Classics. Please go to our website, cruisinclassicsinc.com. Check out all the pictures, detailed information about this vehicle. Also, check out the inventory there as well. 614-276-7355 is our number here. Give us a call. Check on its availability. And any questions that you have about financing or insurance or anything that has to do with classic cars, we'll be more than happy to help. Again, cruisinclassicsinc.com. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. We sure would appreciate it. 1980 Chevrolet Corvette L82 model. Beautiful car, ready to go right now. And as always, thank you from all of us at Cruisin Classics.